So here's the activity. I'm going to press the green button, and here's how the project works. Okay, I will place my mouse here and press the space bar. The cat goes there. So I'll do it again, place my mouse here. Okay. So the cat will go to where your mouse pointer is. So that's it. So here's how the Scratch project works. When you press the green button, this is what will happen. So I'm going to press my spacebar now. Okay, I will press spacebar again. Okay, press the spacebar again. Press the spacebar again. Alright, so now you notice here that the cat and the butterfly is on that side. When I press the green button, notice what will happen to the cat and the butterfly. Okay, let me press the green button again. Do you notice the difference of the placement of the cat and the butterfly? Let me do it again. So this is what happened when you press the green button. So the butterfly is randomly placed on the stage, and the cat always facing that side and standing up and do something here. That's for the green flag. Now for the space bar, what will happen? Okay, notice that the butterfly also moves randomly on the stage, and then the cat will chase and display the message. Right? So that's how this project is.